Here we go.
Oh, okay.
Here we go.
Hold on there.
Yeah. Suck it up. Wimps.
Come on, Christy. There's that there. You got it mastered now. You did the worst of the race.
Here you go.
Your mother thought I deserted her. You can sleep on the way home. You won't have to drive. Yeah.
There you go, like a hurdle. There you go. Nice.
Except you won't be able to sleep because your legs will be cramped up. Oh yeah.
Here you go, Deb. You got this.
If you're cold, you got that little smoke pit up here. That'll warm you up.
Yeah, here we go. All right.
She's running through some mud and she looks tired.
Okay. I'm gonna get down to the fire pit now.